Have you ever received a shiny new digital card and wondered how to make it work? Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of Commbank digital cards and show you exactly how to activate yours. So, let's get started. Imagine having a card that's always with you, ready to be used anywhere, anytime. That's the power of a Commbank digital card. But before you can start swiping and tapping, you need to activate it. And that's where we come in. Commbank digital cards offer a convenient and secure way to manage your finances. From making purchases to withdrawing cash, these cards can do it all. But before you can enjoy the benefits, you need to activate it. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Check your email. The first step to activating your Commbank digital card is to check your email. You should have received an email from Commbank containing instructions and a temporary PIN. Step 2. Download the Commbank app. To activate your card, you'll need to download the Commbank app. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Create an account. If you don't already have a Commbank account, you'll need to create one. This process is usually straightforward and involves providing some basic information. Step 4. Log into the app. Once you've created an account, log into the Commbank app. Step 5. Add your card. In the app, there should be an option to add a card. Tap on this and follow the instructions. You'll likely need to enter your card number and temporary PIN. Step 6. Verify your identity. Commbank may require you to verify your identity before you can fully activate your card. This process usually involves answering a few security questions or providing additional documentation. Step 7. Set a permanent PIN. After verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to set a permanent PIN for your card. This PIN will be used for ATM withdrawals and other transactions. Step 8. Test your card. Once you've completed these steps, your Commbank digital card should be activated. To test it, you can try making a small purchase or withdrawing cash. Additional tips. Keep your card secure. Protect your card by keeping it out of sight and avoiding sharing your PIN with anyone. Monitor your transactions. Regularly check your account activity to ensure that all transactions are legitimate. Report lost or stolen cards immediately. If your card is lost or stolen, contact Commbank immediately to prevent unauthorized use. Activating your Commbank digital card is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you'll be able to start using your card for all your financial needs. So, what are you waiting for? Activate your Commbank digital card today and start enjoying the convenience and security it offers. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.